Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you have already been here, welcome back. So this is all about where we learn about how to start your own boutique, make more money online, the boss mindset, and more. So if that sounds like something that interests you, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button for more free videos like this one and help the algorithm. So in this video today, we are going to be doing my summer 22 inventory haul, and all I gotta say is I got some fire colors for y'all. I got neon oranges, pinks, I've got print. I have got everything. So just get ready because these fits are about to be fire. So first things first, we've got this bright orange dress, and this is giving me summer 2020 all the way. I don't know about you guys, but if y'all are not wearing this orange color in the summer, what are you even doing? Because hello, this is what's in style right now. So it has got a cowl neck, it has two straps in the back that cross over. It also has an open back, so very sexy for the summer, very revealing, but kind of still classy. If you got any nice tattoos on the side, you got some tattoos on your back, shoulder, it is the perfect way to show that off. And on top of that, it's got some really nice ruche details on the booty, and we all know that makes our butt look so good, so we love that. You can also see that up close, the material is super thick. It is double layered, so this is not going to be one of those dresses where you've got some underwear on and you can see through it. So it's very heavy when you feel it. The quality is amazing. So I mean, you can see just here, like, the straps are hanging so low. So that's dress number one, and if you guys are not wearing these colors, again, what are you doing? I also have a pink one coming in that is just like this one, so keep an eye out and make sure you go ahead and cop this, because I don't know guys, you get it, you try it on and you tell me, but I think it's straight fire. So let's move on. Next, we have got this very sexy neon green dress, and this one has a cutout underneath, so it's got a little bit of that under boob cutout going on, and it's got these straps here that you can adjust and this halter top here that you can adjust. So it's super flattering. It's also ruche detail, so it makes your hips look really nice and makes your curves pop in all the ways. So the backside is pretty normal, it's not low cut or anything like that. So for you ladies who like a little bit of classy and a little bit of sexy, this dress is for you. I will have a picture and everything and a little video of this one, but this one, personally, one of my favorites. Alright, so next comes next. We have got this really sexy hot pink mini dress. If you guys remember, in my spring collection, I was selling that Selena dress that ended up selling out. It's kind of got the same idea going on. It has the twist top on the top, and then it has a side cutout that kind of goes down in a zigzag. So this will definitely hug your curves. Everything, not everything, but a lot of things I sell are ruched. So you can see it has the flattering detail on the side. And y'all, let me just tell you, I am curvy, but I'm not extremely curvy, and when I did the photo shoot for this dress, I just couldn't believe that that was my body. So this dress is definitely the move for the summer. It's kind of like a dark hot pink. I don't know if I already mentioned that, but yeah, this is definitely the move. The back is pretty closed off as well. You do have the little side cut, which keeps it classy and sexy, which is pretty much everything I sell, classy and sexy. And yeah, so this dress, fire, keep an eye out for that as well. This is personally one of my favorites. I am in freaking love with this dress. I wore it to Hyde Park here in Tampa, if you've ever been there, and girl, boy, whoever you identify as, let me tell you, whoo, wow. I mean, this dress, not only is it so thin and breathable for Florida, Georgia, California, or any of the hot states, but it's not see-through. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of got like this double layered net material. You can't see on camera, but I literally never wear a bra, guys. I hate bras. But you cannot see anything through this dress, even though it's so light. I don't know how to describe it. The overall quality is very heavy. As you can see, these straps are stretching a lot when I grab them like this. And it's just very high quality. So at the bottom here, it does have a layer that will prevent the backside from being see-through and anything showing that you don't want to show. And then it's got the cowl neck again, so we love that. It's got a low cut back, ruched butt, ruched sides. It's got adjustable straps in the front and then cross straps in the back. So this dress is literally made to flatter you in all ways. the back, the hips, the booty, the breasts, everything. So I say this dress is super fire. This is my favorite, and as you guys know, of course, I had to keep one for myself. So I can see this at like an art date, or maybe going to a casual market or somewhere out to brunch. So I really love this one. This one was 110% one of my favorites, and I would probably buy like 1,000 more for myself if I could. So watch out for this dress. Light, durable, sexy. It's literally everything that you want for the summer. Yeah. This next one, I wish I could just keep this to myself, but I want y'all to look good, and I sell clothes for other people to feel sexy. This is one of my favorites. This is called the Selena Dress. Of course, you can adjust the halter neck up here, but basically it just has a little halter neck and then a cutout in the middle, and then it's long and has a little side slit that you can adjust the length to. So it's very sexy, very much vacation vibes, very much book me a private island in Mexico type of vibes. So I definitely feel like this can go well with one of those trendy straw hats that you see people wearing, and even to the beach or maybe a fancy rooftop party. So this is definitely like one of my favorites. I have a picture of me wearing it, and I literally cannot get over how freaking amazing it is. And it has the same kind of material. It's light and breathable, but it's also not thin and not like that stuff that you get off Shein and Fashion Nova. So you can see here it's got double layers again, so nothing will be see-through. You can free ball, you can, you know, free the nipple, you can do whatever you want and you will be a-okay. So I will insert a picture and a video of this dress here. And also everything I sell is super stretchy for the most part. So these last two are really stretchy. I would say the green one runs true to size, and then the orange one is just based off of preference. So if you like it a little more loose, just go true to size. If you like a tight fit, just size down. I'm about 5'4", 155 pounds, and I am a size small in most of these, except for the green one. I'm a medium. So that being said, of course I had to get something neutral for my neutral queens out there and kings who love them some blacks, browns, beiges, things like that. So of course I got y'all a black dress. Who doesn't love a little black dress, you know, going clubbing at night or looking like your fine little self on a yacht? This is the same as the pink dress and the Angelina dress that I was selling. It's got the twist tie in the front, and then it has that kind of side cutout that I love. And this one is shade on the sides, not in the back though. This one is pretty stretchy as well. So this one, straight fire. You can probably wear this anywhere. You can wear it to a yacht dinner. You can wear it to the club. You can wear it to the store. You can literally wear this anywhere. I also have a fresh batch of swimsuits that I'm selling, and it's my first time selling swimsuits, so we're gonna see how that goes. And so I have two different kinds that are two different colors, so I sell 4 in total. I've got this neon green one here and this black one here. This is my Stassia swimsuit, so we are getting baddie vibes to the max. I'm not going to try them on right now because I forgot them back in my garage, but just paint a mental picture and just really figure out how you would look in this. I think they run true to size, and I personally really love them both. And then I also have my Anaya swimsuit, which is a 3-piece. So it's an adjustable bikini top, adjustable bikini bottoms, and a skirt. And the quality is great. It's thick, you know, the padding is not awkward like at some places that you get. And it's just gonna look so nice on you, and especially for those of you who like a lot of print and bright colors for the summer, this is the swimsuit for you. I think that is really all to my collection. The only dress that I do not have, unfortunately, is the hot pink one that looks like the orange one, like I mentioned in the beginning. But that is basically it. Make sure to go ahead and rate each dress 1 to 10 and let me know which one was your favorite. And make sure to shop below and sign up for text messaging updates to get 15% off. I promise no spam, only updates, so make sure you go get your little 15% off. Make sure to follow my business Instagram page, my TikTok page, and all that. And follow me on my personal Insta as well so we can be friends. With that being said, make sure to go ahead and rate each outfit 1 to 10 and let me know which dress was your favorite. Which dress did you not like? Which dress did you love? which dresses do you wish you could have seen? So thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure to hit a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get more important videos like this one. And as I mentioned before, I also teach women how to start a boutique, how to make money online, side hustle ideas, and things like that. So if that interests you, make sure to smash that subscribe button. So I just want to say thank y'all so much again, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!